What's going on, guys? Your boy Crypto coming back with another update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 69,000 right now. As you can see right here, it was up good right up in here. Around April 8th, it went all the way up to 72,000. It retested the 72,000 area. Then it bounced back down into the 69 area, which, like I said before, it tried to test it a couple times. One, two, and three. And it failed all three times. So look what happened. It went all the way back down into the 69,000 range. But as you can see, we're looking at the 5-minute chart here. So as you can see, it's down to 68,000. But it needs to get back to at least 70,000 before, the bulls are in full control. But yeah, Bitcoin's doing a lot of things with the ETFs, and they got a lot of ETF outflows, a lot of whales. Whales got a lot of whales buying in right now. So ain't no telling what's gonna come in the near future here. Plus the halving is in about the halving's coming in less than 10 days. So this thing should be getting real right here. But today the market is red. As you can see, Bitcoin's down 3%, almost 4%. But the volume is there. ETH is down 4% as well. But Bitcoin has a lot of news right here. So like I say, Bitcoin demand. Well, let's see what they're talking about. Bitcoin demand will push price up, not the halving. So the anticipated Bitcoin halving is just 2 weeks away, while historically it has signaled the start of a price acceleration phase. Analysts at Crypto Quant argue that it is impacting their warning. The forthcoming halving will reduce the new issuance by 14,000 BTC on a monthly basis, traditionally decreasing selling pressure from miners. However, the one significant influence of having on Bitcoin prices seen diminish as the new issuance becomes smaller relative to the total supply available for sale. So what they gonna do is I don't know what's gonna happen to the miners, like Riot and all them, Riot and the other miners. I don't know what's gonna happen with the price of their stock or whatever the case may be. But long-term holders selling, for instance, has averaged about 417,000 Bitcoins per month in the last year, overshadowing the monthly issuance of 28,000. In contrast, Crypto Quant highlights that Bitcoin demand growth, particularly from large holders of whales, is emerging as a primary driver for higher prices, not post-halving. So, like I say, it's all about the supply and the demand. That's all it is. So it looks like, it tested the 72,000 range twice, but I think it needs to get up in, I want to say the 73. So no, that might be the highs right here. So the highs is up here at 72. So it needs to get back up in that range, let's take a look at the Bitcoin spot value confirms. So let's see what they talking about on the spot. Well, they were saying that, buyers just have to buy. It ain't all based off of the ETFs or whatever. So Bitcoin price continues its impressive performance in 2024 with the flagship currency hitting an all-time high in March. BTC spot trading volume has soared since the spot Bitcoin ETFs began trading in the U.S. on January 11, with daily volumes peaking in March. Glassnode noted that the market has transitioned into a euphoric phase with profit taking. So, like I said, man, you gotta have a lot of money to buy that right here, and right there in the tanks and go all the way up, But like I said, these have got to be financial institutions, like Fidelity, Grayscale, BlackRock, people like that, buying Bitcoin, because those are like large amounts, So, but yeah, as you can see, you can look at the chart right here from 2020 to 2021. It's showing you the bull market right here. So as you can see, it started right here in I want to say late September, went all the way up. Then you looking at the bull market right now from last year, from May 2023 to 24. So it started in May and ran all the way to pretty much for 6 months. So May 23 to January 24, which is crazy. So like I said right now, it ain't no telling what's gonna happen pre-halving. But if It's gonna be big. I'm pretty sure everybody waiting on the altcoins to go big. So altcoins are what everybody really like, the retail investors, what they're pretty much investing into. So they got the altcoins. You know, there's a lot of money to be made on those altcoins like ETH. You know, she's coming. You know, top two currency that's traded. But yeah, it's a lot of news on Bitcoin. You know, do your research. You know, take a look at it, see what you're gonna do, and see how you're gonna get in. But this is another chart here showing the 2017 to 2018 peak. And you can see it right there, but it was a whole lot. It seemed like a whole different market now. But you can see right here, it went all the way up. And then, you know, you got some little consolidation right there. And then it went all the way back to the top, even higher basically. So, yeah, it's going to be something to look at. It's going to be real interesting to sit back and watch, you know what I mean? So, yeah, keep your eyes open, do your research on it. But I don't think Bitcoin's going to be down long because of what's going on. I think everything might switch around. It might switch up around like roughly, what's today, the 9th? I say tomorrow, Thursday, we're going to see a lot of green coming in there. You know, when we see the green, there's more money coming in there. But right now, everything consolidate. It's super red. You know, you might get a chance to increase some positions. You know, like with me, I increased on my sheet, but not a lot. I already had a good bag, but you know, I added some more on there. If you got a chance to get richer, might as well. So hey, I ain't looking at you no different for getting your money. But yeah, just a quick update on Bitcoin. Like, share, subscribe. I'm out of here just like yesterday.